You're good?
We're good.
Alright. Boom. So today we are making a pan-seared airline chicken breast, and it starts right now.
Would you like to save 50% more car insurance? Hit the subscribe button and find out.
That was a good one. Say it again.
Cool.
While we're waiting for the chicken to overcook. Alright, what's up? My name is Kiko. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel and if you like to cook amazing dishes, tips and tricks, the best way is to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you won't miss a thing. So what an airline chicken breast is, it's a breast that has the skin on, it has the first bone, and it has the chicken tender in the back of it. This is what we're gonna prepare today for this dish. Brining is very important when it comes to a specific cut of meat that doesn't have a lot of fat. Brining is simply soaking food into salted water solution, resulting to a juicier and flavorful final dish. So what I do first, airline chicken breast, because it takes longer to cook. Since it already has a lot of flavor from the brining liquid that we soak this in for 3 hours. In searing this airline chicken breast, I always sear the presentation side first, which is the skin part of it. Always put your protein away from you, not towards you, so you don't get burnt. Trust your pan, let it caramelize. And as soon as you see that golden color, we're gonna put that in the oven. I don't want it to burn because it has a lot of sugar in it. While the airline chicken is cooking, let's take care of the wild mushrooms. The trick to cooking mushrooms, you need to have a really hot pan, smoking hot. First, you're gonna add your button mushrooms, portabello, and then shiitake mushrooms. Season it with salt, pepper, and make sure like the mushrooms are flat so you get nice caramelization. Deglaze it with white wine. Mount a little bit of butter, parsley, and then lemon juice. And send it to the side. The ragu consists of the fingerling potatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, and then the asparagus tip. How I do this, and I start in this order, the potatoes already cooked. We blanched them earlier this afternoon. So I start with that, with a hot pan. I season it with salt, pepper, let's check our chicken. Let's flip it. Now that you got your caramelization of the potatoes, add your sun-dried tomatoes. And then your asparagus tips. Season it again. Now you can see in the pan it doesn't have liquid nor oil, because the oil is basically coating all your vegetables in starch. I would put white wine. So the white wine, what it does here, it creates that steam, so it heats up faster, and then I deglaze it further with chicken stock. And then mount it with butter. I like cooking with lemon juice, so I'm going to squeeze more lemon juice, then parsley. Now this part is done. We are going to check the chicken. I just pulled the chicken from the oven. Since we're making a pan sauce, I want to put this chicken away for a second. Then I want to eliminate this oil that's in the bottom because I'm after this part of the chicken. This is very important when you are making a pan sauce. This is called a fond. So I eliminated the oil. I'm gonna grab shallots. I'm gonna deglaze it with a Madeira wine. I'm gonna add chicken stock. A sprig of thyme. I'm gonna check for the seasoning. Needs a little bit more salt. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm basically reducing this sauce. This is what's gonna be used for the chicken. I'm gonna melt butter in it. Voila, your sauce is done. Nappe. Alright, let's put this aside because we're gonna put this plate together. Alright, right now I'm slicing the chicken. And then we're gonna plate this up. Cool. Alright, we're gonna start with this. Put it in the bottom of the plate. We're gonna top it with mushrooms. Garnish. Top it with your sauce. Alright, and that's how you make airline chicken butter.
Come taste, man. Hey, it's good, right? We always make good food. The best chef on town. Wow, always in the
I mean, fantastico.
Fantastico, this chicken make that day. Take it easy. Take the chicken here. Oh, eat it. Take it easy, take it easy. Too fast. You slow. I'm making dinner, guys.
Smash that like button if you enjoy the video. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next creation.